Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today, let's check out how to add an estimated delivery date using your Shopify product pages. So, the number one question of any e-commerce product page is, when will I get this? By displaying an estimated delivery date, you instantly build trust and dramatically reduce cart abandonment. So we will cover the most effective method, adding a small piece of liquid code to your theme that dynamically calculates a delivery window for today's date. So this method is fast, is free, and doesn't require a paid application. So let's dive into the code editor. Right, so from your Shopify, you want to focus from the administrator section, go into the online store, click into themes. You want to find the current theme and click into the three dots and go for edit the code. Remember to back up your theme first. To do this, what you wanted to do is to, instead of clicking into the element that says edit the code, you wanted to duplicate this. This will be generating a new theme. So basically here, what we can do now is to start editing my new element. And once, if you want to, of course, to go back from what it was before, you just click into the latest one to the theme library and go for published, and you're good to go. So back directly here into, we need, of course, to find here the main file that builds your product pages. You want to look inside the sections folder that you can be finding directly in here, or the main product.liquid. Usually it could be appearing as product.liquid. So I want to scroll a little bit down. Main product.liquid, which in this case here is. Now the dynamic liquid date, locate the code for your add to the cart button. We want to replace the estimate delivery date right above it to capture the customer attention before they commit. So we wanted to use liquid date filter to dynamically calculate the date plus a few days. So the code snippet is universal. So the first line will calculate the first date plus delivery E, for example. So what I need to do, of course, is to add my code in here. There's two methods to find an actual code. First of all, for example, is to open in a new tab, estimate date code Shopify, and this will be opening an actual GitHub section, like for example here the Shopify App Store. There's the CRO Media, the Ecom Agency, or the Shopify App Store. The second method is that you can just copy and paste it in here. The second method is that instead of going here directly from the three dots edit code, just go directly with the option that says edit theme. Inside the edit theme, I wanted to click into homepage, products, default product. Inside here, let's locate the place where you wanted to add the estimated delivery date. For example, usually it appears something like in here. So I have the product information. Let's say, for example, that I click here for the quantity section. Here is my section. So here, usually I have the price, the burn picker, the quantity, the buy buttons. Here, I'm going to add below here a new section. So let's add here custom liquid. And I'm going to be putting this just below the buy buttons or the description. So once I finish with this element, what I need to do now is to make sure here I'm going to click into the custom liquid, and into the liquid code I wanted to generate a new CSS file. If you don't know actually anything about adding them, you can key into the option that says add block, and usually blocks like this can be helping us to add a new custom liquid or a complemented element. So here's my liquid code. And there is my estimate delivery section. Usually, to generate this own liquid code, I asked the artificial intelligence to generate me this. So I asked to create a custom liquid code. I just copy the element and I just paste it around in here. The way how you can edit your estimated delivery date is here, for example, we have assigned processing days, 2 days. I have 2 days. Assigned shipping days, minimum 3, for example. Then I have assigned shipping dates, maximum 7 days. You can change this element later, and even what you can do is to change arrives between strong and minimum date strong, and date strong, and that will be actually it. So the last thing I need to do, of course, is to choose the custom liquid and put it directly below the buy buttons. So here, for example, is now my estimated delivery date arrives between December 8 and 9. So hit for the option to say save, and everything is going to be appearing like this directly inside your products. I'm going to click here into my custom liquid, for example, assign processing days, which says 2, 3. Let's go change this for 6 days. And check out how the actual dates can be changing automatically, right? So there you go. I'm gonna hit for save once again. And the last method that I can be suggesting you is to go and open any tab which says applications, and let's say it estimate, and look out for the Shopify App Store. The App Store has a lot of applications that can be helping you with these elements. For example, you have the ship date, the tracking more, the DELM, the DT estimate delivery date, essential estimate delivery date, and so much more. So you're gonna install one of those. Remember that you wanted to choose one that has free pricing, built for Shopify, and has strong ratings. This is one of the best solutions that can be helping you to add this directly into the Shopify. So with that being said, guys, this is the way how we can actually do this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools on how we can get started with this Shopify online store. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. Hopefully with all that's been said, we can see you guys next time.